welcome to Living Life Barefoot. Today I'm going to unstack my trays that have been germinating for 4 days, and I'm going to show you what it looks like underneath here, because this is typically the time that new growers mistake root hairs for mold. So I'm going to go ahead and get these unstacked, and then we're going to take a look. Growing microgreens, or possibly have purchased one of our microgreen grow kits, day 4, which is the unstacking day, might be the day that you are a little alarmed of what you see. So number 1, your microgreens are going to be more yellow than green, and that's perfectly fine. But what I want to talk about today that most people get concerned when they see are the white fuzzy hairs that you see when you uncover your trays. Those are actually called root hairs, and you definitely want to see that. We usually don't see root hairs because we're used to sowing the seed in the earth or under the ground or under soil, and those root hairs will form underneath the ground. So we don't usually see them, but for microgreens, we sow the seed on top of the soil, so those root hairs are visible. Root hairs act like a sponge, and they absorb the water and the nutrients that they need to become a healthy plant. Sowing the seed on top, sowing the microgreen seed on top also allows us to be able to harvest them so quickly, because the root hairs in the seed isn't trying to break through the soil. So it allows us to be able to harvest a lot sooner. A lot of times when people see the fuzzy white stuff, they immediately think mold. But I want to reassure you that it is probably just root hairs, and I'm actually going to show you the difference between root hairs and mold. Root hairs, like I said, are fuzzy white little hairs at the base of the root. Mold looks more like a spider web and can be sometimes gray or a bluish and sometimes black color. So this is a quick video, but I just wanted to let you know what that white fuzzy stuff is if you were kind of concerned when you've seen that on your tray. Everything is okay, but if you're still concerned, I would be more than happy to take a look at it for you. So take a snapshot and send me a picture, and I will let you know what you're dealing with. Now, in a case of mold, what you could do is make a solution of vinegar and water or peroxide and water and just spray it over those areas that you may be concerned that there is mold, and you can still save your tray. Or maybe if you even just want to dig that little place out, I'm going to try to take a little closer look on my trays to see if I can show you what I've got going on here, so you will know exactly what your trays are supposed to look like when you uncover them. I'm also going to leave 2 pictures side by side that's showing you the difference of root hairs and mold. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Comment below if you've uncovered a tray and kind of freaked out because you've seen some white fuzzy stuff growing, and let me know in the comments, did you throw that tray out, or did you continue to grow it and realize that everything was okay and it was perfectly fine? And if you haven't purchased one of our microgreen grow kits, what are you waiting for? Go to barefootmicrogreens.com, grab you a grow kit, get some extra seeds so you're all stocked up for the winter, and you can grow your very own superfood right on your kitchen counter. Get closer to your food, know where your foods came from, take it right from the tray, harvest it, put it right on your plate, and get maximum nutrition, enhance your daily meals, and just add some goodness to your everyday life. Have you not subscribed to our channel yet? Hurry, go hit the subscribe button. Help us reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, and we are going to start offering a new variety of seeds if we can reach that goal. Can you guess what it is? Pea shoots. So hurry, go hit the subscribe button, and remember to share us with your friends so we can make the world a healthier place, one microgreen grow kit at a time.